For the panel section replacement, you will need the following tools. First, remove all rivets from the panel section designated for replacement. To do so, drill through the rivet head and punch the rivet out of the panel using a rivet removal tool. Cut through the solid plastic panel on the frame web using a circular saw and guide rail. Attention! Adjust the cutting depth to match the panel thickness. Cut through the panel at the frame carefully using the multi-tool. After that, remove the damaged panel section from the frame. Clean the edge of the remaining panel of dirt using the scraper. Apply silicone along the frame and insert the new panel section. Pre-drill holes for the rivets in the new panel section using a battery drill machine. Afterwards, insert the rivets and rivet them in place using the battery rivet gun. Clean the edge of the panel of dirt using the scraper. Next, preheat and weld the panel joint with the welding device. Let welded seam cool down for about 2 minutes. After cooling, remove the excess material with the paint stripper. In the final step, strip the repaired area with the scraper and the paint scraper to achieve a smooth surface. By replacing the panel section, even larger damages in the alkus solid plastic panel can be easily repaired in just a few steps.